Today I'm making Kung Pao Chicken, which is a fantastic spicy stir fry with chicken and chunky vegetables. We're going to start with the marinade for the chicken. Add in 2 tablespoons of rice wine, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil and 4 tablespoons of hoisin sauce to the bowl. We'll also add 1/4 of a teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 minced cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger and 1/2 teaspoon of Szechuan peppers. Then mix it all together. So that's the marinade done. Now we're going to move on to the chicken. I've got 3 chopped chicken breasts here and I'm going to add a teaspoon of cornflour and then we will mix that together. And once that's mixed, we'll add in about 1/3 of the marinade. So we'll add that in and then we're going to cover that and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Whilst the chicken's marinating, we're going to dry fry about 8 to 10 chili peppers until lightly charred. Heat the oil in a wok until hot and remove the chicken from the marinade using a slotted spoon. Discard that marinade and then fry the chicken in the hot oil for about 7 to 8 minutes until cooked all the way through. Then we'll add in 2 chopped red peppers and 1 chopped courgette. Fry that for a couple of minutes before adding in about 12 spring onions. Fry for another minute or 2, but no longer than that because you want the vegetables to retain their crunch. Then we'll add in the reserved marinade from earlier and stir it all together. Let the sauce boil while stirring frequently and then add in those charred chili peppers from earlier. The final step for the Kung Pao is to add the nuts. Normally you'd add peanuts to Kung Pao, but I quite like cashews, so I'm adding cashews tonight. So that's my Kung Pao chicken, a tasty Friday night treat. Please like and subscribe for more home-cooked delicious recipes.